man, it's your boy Said got next back with another video, man. Yeah, we got another unboxing video today. As you can tell by the thumbnail, we unboxing the Retro 3 Palomino. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. If this your first time coming to my channel, man, make sure you subscribe. I know the routine, man. If you didn't go watch my last video, go watch my last video, man. Go show me some love. But newcomers, make sure you subscribe. But to the people who already subscribed, make sure you like and comment on this video, man. I ain't even gonna do no more talking. We're gonna get straight into the video. So boom. So boom, as you can see, man, we got the Retro 3 Palomino right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Now, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I did already open these and I messed around with the laces, man. So, you know, forgive me for that, man. But yeah, this is what we looking like. You know what I'm saying? They're a smooth color, but I'm gonna get into that real quick. You know what I'm saying? I did mess around with the laces, but you know what I'm saying? I ain't went all outside in them yet, nothing like that. But yeah, man, here they go. Retro 3 Palomino, man. So I'm gonna let y'all check that out real fast. Now, really, I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel about these. Honestly, they're a cool color, but I mean, if you just ain't wearing brown, you know what I'm saying, cream colors, this is not the shoe for you. You know what I'm saying? It ain't really no vibrant color. It ain't no retro that just gonna, in my opinion, stand out, because it's like a neutral color type. You know what I'm saying? Something low key. But you got on some smooth J's, but they just, like, they low key. You know what I'm saying? Hey, forget what I said about these Retro 3 don't stand out, man. I went to a party after this video later on that day, and, bruh, they do stand out. Forget what I said. But y'all know the thing I like about 3s is they stack well, like on jeans, you know what I'm saying? Like you can cuff, they go good with jeans, you know what I'm saying? Like the cuff fit perfectly on top of this like tongue right here. Like for example, like the 6s, I feel like the 6 is just too high. It be making the jeans like baggy at the bottom. Like you know what I'm saying? If you got some 6s compared to 3s, how jeans stack on top of them, but yeah, man, so far the color, it is a cool color though. Like, you know, you got 3 different shades of like, I wouldn't say brown because it's kind of like cream, but you got 2 different shades of brown right here, you know. I don't know. And that little hint accent of like a goldish color, like a goldish metallic, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, if I had to rate these, I'd rate these like 7 out of 10, you know, because they ain't nothing too major, really. Again. Forget what I said. These 9 out of 10. Like 6.5, cause they ain't really nothing too major, really. Like it ain't nothing like, oh, but they cool though. You know what I'm saying? Like they're a straight little shoe, like something to pull out, step out, wherever you gotta go, you can get your Retro 3 Palomino. But yeah, man. So y'all know the next step. If y'all watch my other unboxing videos, I'm finna show y'all the on feet clips, and I'm gonna give y'all some B-rolls of this shoe, man. So let's get straight into it. Alright, man, so that was the outside look and the on feet of the Retro 3 Palomino, man. They do look good outside. I do give them that, like, you know, when that sun hit on them, you know, they do for sure look good, you know what I'm saying? But in the comments, man, y'all let me know. Let me know what y'all think about these Retro 3s. Is it one that y'all went after, or y'all just ignored, or what? Like, you didn't win the raffle, or what? Hey, and also in the comments, let me know what's the next Jordan that y'all want me to review that's finna come out. I know the red semen is finna come out. I'm most definitely getting those, and I'm gonna do a review on those, so be looking out for that. And with that being said, hit the post notification bell so you can be alerted every time. But yeah, man, that's gonna wrap up this video unboxing the Retro 3 Palomino, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all one more look in hand. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I say again, man. But yeah, man, that's the end of this video. Until next time, it's your boy Said got next, and we out.